I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me.
Woo! Oh, look at that little guy.
Look, he's so small. Woo!
Go clean it. Hey Vince, it's your turn.
So, out of all the people you can see down the beach, I think I'm the only one that landed it. Vince Smith went a while ago, so hopefully this is a good sign as we're coming up the river.
I didn't miss one.
Well, you had one, you lost one, yeah. So this could be a good sign. A little small guy, but
2 pounder.
2 pounder, 2.5 maybe? Maybe 2.
90% of the trout I catch.
I think we've got trout bigger than this.
90% of
Go.
Pretty smoky out here, eh, buds?
that's not too bad.
You're supposed to cough. Yeah, whatever.
That makes it fun.
So we're here in downtown Smoky, Chilliwack. Due to the forest fires, we caught a fish. That's right. Let's show
Rub
the.
it in.
Look at this. How many fish did you catch, Vince?
About 13.
13? He's lying. He didn't catch anything.
Oh,
That's
you
okay.
meant today.
He didn't. Oh, you meant today. I
Oh.
did mean today, actually.
Sorry, oh, today then nothing.
He's so competitive.
Well, of course.
Vince is the most competitive guy I've ever met when it comes to fishing. He's in the
Because-
zone. You go to the river, you see him fishing, you don't talk to this guy because he's
Because I'm a
done.
winner.
And how many fish did you catch today? I'm just kidding. I know that's gonna hurt. He's gonna be haunted by this.
Yeah, it'll come back. Yeah.
It will come back.
Yeah, well, let's go fish the vetter.
No, I don't fish the vetter. Vince is the vetter king, apparently. And if you know any of our videos, this was supposed to be a real epic night of fishing, but unfortunately we were proven wrong. And the fish that I caught, here, I'm going to hold this up.
Oh my god.
Well, no, seriously, look at this. Oh yeah, this one's going to whip us around for sure. Here we go, hang on.
Okay, I'm putting camera away.
No, just hang on to the camera. This current's gonna be weird. Let's go look at this fish again.
Oh. Okay, you're just being in. Are you kidding me?
Sockeye I've ever seen.
It's pretty heavy, but it's
Oops.
very good.
Yeah. Swinging too close. Oh, my rod's gonna hang up again. No. If you pull me in, my rod's gonna catch yours.
It's not gonna pull it.
Yes, it is. It's not coming in. You're just
Okay, stay right there, both of you guys. Say bye.
There we go.
We're done.
This boat's parked in a spot.